Hello friends, today I've taken a PVTG topic which can be classified under society, but it is very important for prelims perspective also. So let's see. So before that we have seen one PVTG related question in 2019 prelims, right? Those who have attempted the 2019 prelims exam, those would have come to know how important PVTGs along with the facts. So here we will see the first statement which says PVTGs reside in 18 states and 1 union territory. So I literally have no idea about this statement at the first glance of this question. So I have no option to eliminate here. And the second statement which says a stagnant or declining population is the one of the criteria for determining the PVTG status. Okay, right, this could be one of the correct statement, right? So let's see, 2 is present in only 3, so let's eliminate this D option for now, as 2 seems obvious statement. And the third one, there are 95 PVTGs, again a fact. So 95 PVTGs, so we have no idea about this. And next comes Irula and Kondaredi tribes are included in the list of PVTGs, and luckily I knew that Irula and Kondaredi tribes were under PVTGs. So 4 and 1, so 4 should be the answer, 4 should be in the answer, therefore I have eliminated A, and we are left with B and C, whether statement 1 or 2 3 is correct. So let's see, let's analyze like what could be the probable correct statement. So 18 states and 1 union territory seems a probable figure, right? Compared to 95. So that's how I ended up marking C answer. And you could also think that B is also a correct answer, but it all depends. At least you have arrived to a situation where you have a you can mark on 50-50 basis, right? So like this you can mark correct answers in prelims, and at least you could eliminate statements. So let's see what is this PVTGs. So recently it was in news because of the scheme called Development of PVTGs, which was launched by Ministry of Tribal Affairs, which covers all the 75 PVTGs. In the statement earlier, it was given 95, right? It was not 95. It is 75. And here, what state governments must do? State governments should submit a conservation come development plan. So this should be submitted to the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, and this will further gives approval. And then for this plan, there is 100% grants and aid provided by the central government to the states. So this is not a central sponsored scheme. And tribal population makes up for 8.6% of total population of our country. So this also includes PVTGs. And we shall see the evolution of PVTGs. In 1973, there was formation of Tebar Commission, which created primitive tribal groups as a separate category from scheduled tribes. And later in 2006, Government of India renamed that PDGs into particularly vulnerable tribal groups. So how these PVTGs are classified? There should be a criteria, right? So for that, they will check whether these communities are having or practicing a pre-agriculture level technology, or they are stagnant or declining population, and extremely low literacy, and subsistence level of economy. These are the criteria to classify PVTGs. And as I said, there are 75 PVTGs, and highest number are found in Odisha and followed by AP. So first is Odisha and followed by AP. So here is the list of state-wise and UT-wise PVTGs. This have taken from the official website. So this is just a screenshot of AP and Telangana's PVTGs. These are Chenchu, Bodo, Gadaba, etc. So, for example, Chenchu PVTGs were in news because of a issue in Nallamala forest. There was a breach of rights of these PVTGs because of occupation of forest area. So, according to the new current affairs, these PVTGs are frequently in news, and recently there was Abuj Maria tribes. Why they were in news? Because they have led this tableau of Republic Day parade. If you can see, they have led the Republic Day parade's tableau, and Abuj Marias. There is some speciality about these tribal groups. So you could also find out what it is, and I will attach this PDF in the description box. You can just download it and just see overall like which communities belong to which state and all, so that you will have a rough idea to eliminate statements based on these tribes if you don't know the facts. So I hope you have understood this, why I have taken this PVTG topic, and let's study well.